Hi! Today, now we are going to play the game called Sound Effects. We have Rapunzel and Poison Ivy cooking on a cooking show together while we have the, what is it called? Barefooted Pumpkin making sounds for Rapunzel, and we have Zombie Hood making sounds for Poison Ivy. Alright, you guys may begin.
So today we're going to be making breakfast.
We're going to have lots of veggies in
my
this.
Tower.
Why do we always have to be in your tower? You
This
never
is
get
my tower.
It's
green, remember? Tweet, 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 tweet.
There's animals.
I hear a Flynn Rider coming on his horse. Coming to save me.
God, you're obsessed. Let's begin.
Let's make breakfast.
Yay!
Oh.
There he is!
Oh my God! I'm gonna kill your horse.
Flynn Rider.
All right. First, we're gonna get the dough. It has some engines in it.
It's
Make it spicy.
a little hard.
And an elephant. An elephant. Now, first we're
Can we
gonna
make French toast? It's my favorite, and it's my 18th birthday, which means I get to see the glowing lights tonight.
Oh my God! If I hear about those goddamn glowing lights one more time, I swear to God, I'm gonna fucking kiss you. You fucking just chain up your horse already? Alright, so we're just rolling the dough right now, which sounds like a horse. We're gonna set this aside.
I'll set the timer.
That was really heavy.
It's going off.
It's already off! Oh my God! Alright, well, first we're gonna break some eggs. Would you like to break some eggs?
Sure. Can I have them?
I'm just a little needy.
It's not breaking.
Some geeking like eggs. We're
Let me
geeking
try
out.
again.
Did you fucking kill a chicken?
A bird popped out of my
Alright,
Let's try
well.
the next one.
Wow, these are very... Oh, this is just powder.
How deep is that hole?
You know what? Fuck the omelet. We don't need a fucking omelet. Let's just try. Let's go check on that dough. Alright. Now,
Salad dough, Chrissy.
yes it is. Alright. How about you start up the cooker? The little pan, the pancake pan.
Should I light the...
God, I don't know. I have maids
Let
for
me show you
this.
this match. First try!
Very impressive. Your mother must be so proud. Oh wait, you don't know who she is.
What do you mean?
Is someone peeing? Is someone peeing?
It's cooking. Gas leaking.
Oh, I don't care if you all blow up
Let's
and
flip
die.
the pancake. Ready? Whoop!
Jesus Christ.
I think it got stuck to the ceiling.
You know what? Let's just stick with toast. You can't fuck up toast. You really can't.
Where's that go? Can you really not?
You can't? Alright. What?
We need to make the bread to... Where's the dough?
Oh, right, yeah, the dough. I'm gonna kill that goddamn horse. Very good timing.
Solid dough.
Solid dough. We're gonna be like the French. They like hard bread.
Let's cut the dough.
Apparently we're whipping the dough. Alright. Now, let's place the pieces of dough in a toaster, because
That's how you make toasties.
that's how you make toast. I'm always laughing. Can you tell I'm not in the kitchen often? Alright.
Put it in. Ready?
Now to flip down the thing. Wow.
Is it ready?
It's very like a soprano
Ready?
toaster we have. What was that? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm hearing things. So now we wait for our toast to make.
Cacao!
Seriously, do you have like a barn or something?
Not today.
Not today. And some hyenas. Oh, I hope they eat everything. Those little bastards. You know who's Hancock? Harvey. Harvey Dent, Two-Face. You
Oh.
may know him as Two-Face.
Cha-ching!
Oh, their toast is done. All right, now we gotta. Can't have a toast without any kind of spread. What would you like? Jelly, butter, cream?
Attention! A fire has been reported.
Well,
We're
since
actually
we're-
an announcer.
well, I have one. Oh, I get one in my building. We do. Well, fuck it. I don't care.
The sprinklers have been activated.
Well, I just put some vine on it to
There
make
goes
it shut
the bread.
the fuck up.
Sprinkler.
Eat the goddamn bread!
It's soggy.
That's what I was just saying.
That's it. That's all the time for now. Thank you and enjoy your